Francisco Pacheco, politician. Francisco Xavier Pacheco Mickky is a politician from the Indian state of Goa and the leader of the Indian National Congress. He has held portfolios of rural development, archaeology and archives, tourism, captain of ports, housing, agriculture, animal husbandry, and sports and youth affairs in the state cabinet. He is a member of the Goa Legislative Assembly from Nuvem and has served 2 terms in the past from Benaulim. In 2015, Pacheco was convicted for assaulting a government official and sentenced to imprisonment for 6 months, forcing him to resign from his ministerial post. Political career. Pacheco won the 2002 Legislative Assembly election as a member of the United Goans Democratic Party. He later split and formed the United Goans Democratic Party Secular, which merged with the Bharatiya Janata Party in January 2005. He later joined the Nationalist Congress Party in CP and won the 2007 election. Prior to the 2012 Legislative Assembly election, he left the NCP and joined the Goa Vikas Party (GVP). Pacheco's wife Viola Pacheco was made the GVP president in 2012. He quit Goa Vikas Party and joined the Goa Suraj Party. He lost the Nuvem constituency in the hands of sitting ZP member of Nuvem Wilfred DSA. In 1981, while he was in 7th standard, Pacheco dropped out of school and became a tailor to support his family. As per his affidavit in the 2012 Legislative Assembly election, he has assets worth 5.96 crore equivalent to 9.5 crore or US$3 million in 2020. He was an associate of former Chief Minister of Goa Churchill Alamau, but defeated him in the 2002 election. Several criminal cases are registered against Pacheco. He was also alleged by the United States U.S. authorities of his involvement in illegal immigration of Goan youth to the U.S. and money laundering racket. Personal life. Belonging to a Catholic family, Pacheco claims to be from a very poor family. He dropped out of school in 1981 when he was in 7th standard and became a tailor to support his family. Later, he moved to Bahrain and the U.S. Pacheco says that he is still a fashion designer and owns a showroom in Paris. Pacheco is a fan of Tupac Shakur and Snoop Dogg and was a bass guitarist in a local band. Pacheco was the owner of a football club Francipax FC, which was dissolved in March 2006 as a protest against the All India Football Federation. Controversies. Pacheco has been involved in various controversies and has 10 criminal cases registered against him. In June 2006, Pacheco slapped a junior engineer Kapil Naidkar for not attending his personal assistant's call. Pacheco was sentenced to imprisonment for 6 months. In June 2010, he was arrested over his alleged involvement in the suicide of his girlfriend Nadia Torado. He was forced to resign from his ministerial post in the then Indian National Congress-led government, but was later given a clean chit due to absence of evidence. His estranged wife Sara Pacheco accused him of bigamy under the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005. Other cases against him are road rage, abusing and threatening a traffic police constable in Margao, forgery in property deals, and extortion of 3.69 lakh equivalent to 7.9 lakh or US$10,000 in 2020 from a casino in 2009. Pacheco was probed by the Central Bureau of Investigation when the United States Bureau of Diplomatic Security alleged his involvement in illegal immigration of Goan youth and a money laundering racket. References